welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna go get a wash, we get some rollers, we get some cool shots and all that stuff. I usually let it warm up to around now and then I drive off, so I'm probably gonna get going soon. Just got a radar detector, so I'm probably gonna do a video on this. I also have a dash cam, so I can probably do a review on that also. But this is my 2017 Mustang GT with a manual. It's a Performance Pack 1. God bless America, and God bless American V8s. Yo, if you live in Long Island, or you take the Southern States sometimes, there is always traffic here, no matter what, because of this little turn right here. People are going uphill. People are actually scared, or they don't know how to drive going up this hill. And I'm gonna show you, which is crazy. Coming up right here, exit 17. And look, everyone's slowing down, right? There's no it's 12:30 in the afternoon on a Friday. Everyone's at work, you know, all that good stuff. And oh my God, it's a oh my God, we're going uphill. Why are people so scared? Like, just drive your cars, bro. No need to slow down and cause traffic, because in the afternoon, this causes traffic for like 5 exits. And look at this. This is literally it. Slow down for that. For no reason. So right now I'm averaging about 16.7 miles a gallon. Okay, I want to know if you guys cruise in 5th gear at like 60 miles an hour, because I'm at like 60 right now, or if you go down to 6th gear. And I want to know what your miles per gallon is, because mine ain't the best, I can tell you that. And I don't know if it's because I do a lot of city driving and barely any highway, but I probably get like 12 miles a gallon on a good day. I get this 60 miles. I see a little tunnel coming up ahead. You know what that means? So we all know gas prices can get a little crazy next to the highway, so it's extra crazy. Comment down below your gas prices in your neighborhood. Right here it's freaking $3.67 for a regular. So I mean, comment below what your regular is, your premium, all of that stuff. I probably pay around like $3 where my house is. This is a little crazier. About to get a wash from Blaze Drip Detailing. My car isn't like filthy, but should get all the fucking snow out and salt. That's one thing you don't want is salt under your car, because then your car could get all rusty and stuff, start looking old. And just know whenever it snows and you drive in snow, just get a wash. Make sure they wash in here also. Get all that salt out. It's a little before and after right now.
I don't know, you gotta open it, dog.
Yeah, shout out to Blaze Drip Detailing.
This nigga. Yo, hurry up, bro. It's taking me long.
Yo. Good luck. Shout out to Blaze Drip. About to change my shift knob from this factory one. We about to see if it fits right on, to be honest. I'm not sure if it does. It might though. This is fire. It's real leather too, I think.
You feel it?
Feels real nice.
Oh shit.
And it's weighted too.
Yeah, it's like
It's heavy. Let's see how easy this is to put on. Or hard. I bet. So what we spraying on the wheel right now? What's it called?
This is my secret wheel cleaner, bro. I can't
Secret
tell
wheel
nobody
cleaner?
about this.
Okay.
But this shit is A1. You don't even need to scrub it or nothing. Just spray it on, let it sit for a minute or two.
Yeah.
Power wash that bitch off.
Yes, sir. You already put it on the other side, so I'm gonna go over there and see how it's looking. That's how it looks when you throw it on. It turns like purple, right?
Yeah, but I don't think it's gonna really show on your wheel color.
Yeah, you can see it a little bit, but nothing too crazy. Actually,
Yeah, you can see it a little.
you can see it a little, probably on lighter wheel. This is so satisfying, you know? So after you put the foam on, you just want to, you know, wash it in, scrub it in with a nice clean mitt.
Clean.
Clean mitt. So this is the box he got me. I don't know what website he got it from, but it came in a nice packaging. I already took it off. But it comes with the shift knob, of course. And then it comes with this, something like that. Not exactly sure where that's going to play in, but let's see how easy it is to install. The first thing you want to do, obviously, is remove the factory shift knob. And I think it's as easy as just turning it. So after sitting here for like 10 minutes trying to freaking take it off with my hand, it was not working, so I grabbed this cloth, if you're having trouble, and I put a lot of force, and it works now. I'm getting it out. Easy as that. Throw that on. Make sure it's nice in there. You should honestly put Loctite. I was seeing that on some forums and stuff, but nobody has time for that. So after putting that washer in at the bottom, it allows you to go in reverse. Without the washer, it wasn't letting me go in reverse. But this is it, the Shelby GT350 ShiftKnob in my 17 Mustang GT. It looks amazing, feels amazing. Feels OEM. The leather is really nice. If anyone wants this stock shift knob, or I can do a giveaway or something, let me know, comment below.